Hello and welcome. Trade plan for 20th of August, Tuesday. V shape बोला था ना. पहले आपको शेप दिखा देते हैं. Where is today's chart? Okay, this is today's move. Opened, gap up, came down, went up. दिख रहा है V. ये देखिए V का ये लेफ्ट वाला फ्लैंक और ये फिर राइट वाला पूरा ऊपर तक नहीं गया बट बनाई V शेप है. And then it went into a consolidation mode, and you can see now it is consolidating within this triangle. So tomorrow break up, break out और ब्रेक डाउन, ब्रेकआउट. कल दोबारा एक और गैप अप हो सकता है. Why? Because Nifty has an unfinished business. Let me first go to the daily chart. क्या बोला था? That the first resistance Nifty will face will be around 24,650, 647 का लगा हुआ था लेवल. ये खुला कहाँ पे? हाई कितना बनाया? 24,638. 638 vis-a-vis the indicated level of 647. How many points difference? Less than 10 points. Perfect. As expected, went down. As expected, recovered well. Well, I expected a bigger recovery, but it did not recover that much. But it isn't negative. It is not negative, to my understanding. It is likely to now make another attempt to cross 650, and 650 is an important level. After crossing 650, the next level is 683 and 686, and finally this level of 702 and 70. Let me show you more levels. कहाँ पे है? आर्ली चार्ट पे था, कहाँ पे था? ये रहा 703. So this is 24,703 and here the level is 24,702. तो समझ लो 24,700 is the level. Wherever it tries, if it opens up and opens gap up, chances are it may now gun for this level 700, 702, 703, whatever. Intermediate 647 and 683 and 686 are also there. यहां तक का तो क्लैरिटी है. सो यहां तक का तो अटेम्प्ट होना चाहिए 700 के आसपास तक. नो स्ट्रेंथ इन बैंक निफ्टी एज येट, बट इट इज ट्राइंग, बट नो स्ट्रेंथ एज येट. ओके, जो बोला था वो हो गया. वी शेप बोला था और वी शेप ऑलमोस्ट आ गई. अब क्या होगा बता दिया. इनफैक्ट आई हैड सेड दैट, क्या लेवल बताई थी आपको, मैं बता देता हूँ लेवल भी आपको. मैंने क्या लेवल्स बोली थी? आई हैड सेड दैट even if it is, I had given this level of 483, 418 and 288. तो वो तो 483 तक भी नहीं गिरा. So this is peaceful. 486 is a good support. Even if it falls here, it is fine. But chances are it is likely to see a higher opening. And I would wish to see the opening in green. Tomorrow I'm traveling. Just like today, I would not be available tomorrow for the morning trade. So I'm just sharing the details here. One more thing I wanted to share. Um, First, about the top four stocks of the index. Look, this was very clear cut, a very decent hammer kind of a pattern. So HDFC Bank has tried to go up. It found resistance at 1639. Very close there. It opened and it moved down. Very similar to Nifty's move. This is what? This Reliance had ended here. It opened here. So it opened gap up. It did come down intraday, but it did attempt a gap up and it got resistance at 2983 and it has closed below that. The gap has been filled. I closed high, opened high, opened gap up, but could not sustain and came down. But the trend is intact. Infosys IT, क्या कहने हैं भैया इनके तो. They are doing magic. IT is on fire. This is a great candle pattern and sitting on top of a gap, second gap, very good, and it is making a higher high. All is well here also. I have no reasons to believe that the market is turning bearish. Market is still buy on dips as per the close of today. Hmm. There was something else I wanted to showcase. Ah, where do you get cautious? It's important to understand that, no? कि कहाँ पे cautious होना है आपको, where the market could the bulls can throw in the towel. So that is a possibility. Look at this level that I have marked here. It is 24 5 22.95. Let's say 24 5 22 520 पकड़ लीजिए. Anytime Nifty starts trading below this, it is dangerous, and a close below this is definitely not good. So keep this in mind, irrespective of the gap that was created in the morning, it was filled, and market has ended up with a consolidation right from 11:30 onwards. Okay, so wait, I'm expecting a breakout on the upside, but market is market, कुछ भी कर सकता है. I think we will find strength right at the gap up morning में, and then that's again the same thing. Strength may fizzle out for some time, then it may try to recover again. So 700 के आसपास खेलेगा कभी. That's all. ठीक है. Trade sensibly, pick up those positions that you can handle. Treat your trading like a portfolio. Do not over invest. छोटा छोटा चीज पकड़ो और अच्छा पैसा बनाओ. If you invest one time big in one trade, then you are in trouble. So keep that in mind. Trade smartly. RMPS, go green. Bye.